Hello everyone! Ever wondered how the strong, stretchy fabric in your jacket or backpack is made? Today, we're diving into the fascinating process of making nylon, from simple chemicals to the finished cloth. It all begins with chemistry, as nylon is a completely synthetic material, meaning it's man-made and doesn't come from plants or animals. The journey starts with raw materials derived from crude oil. Scientists take two specific chemicals, one called a diamine and another called an adipic acid, and mix them together under precise conditions. This causes a chemical reaction called polymerization, which is a fancy way of saying the small chemical molecules link up to form very long, repeating chains. This process creates a new substance, a thick, crystalline material often called nylon salt. Next, this nylon salt is heated in a large, pressurized container until it melts into a thick, syrupy liquid. This molten nylon is then pumped and forced through a special metal plate called a spinneret, which works a bit like a shower head but with hundreds of incredibly tiny holes. As the liquid nylon is squeezed through these holes, it emerges as long, continuous strands called filaments. As soon as these hot filaments meet the air, they begin to cool and solidify into solid threads. However, at this stage, the threads are weak and not very useful. The most crucial step comes next, drawing. The newly formed filaments are fed through a series of rollers that spin at increasing speeds. This stretches the fibers to several times their original length. This stretching process is what gives nylon its signature strength and elasticity because it forces the long polymer chains inside the fiber to straighten out and align themselves in a parallel, orderly structure. Once stretched, these strong, continuous filaments are wound onto large bobbins, creating what we know as nylon yarn. This yarn is now ready to be turned into fabric. It can be woven or knitted, often blended with other fibers, to create the final textile. Finally, the fabric is dyed in a huge range of colors and may receive additional chemical treatments to make it waterproof, fire-resistant, or static-free. So, from a simple chemical reaction to a durable, versatile material, the creation of nylon is a remarkable feat of engineering. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this video interesting and want to see more content like it, please consider liking, subscribing, or leaving a comment below. Your support helps our channel grow and allows us to create more videos for you. See you next time.